Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a missing subscription in Rocket Money. So if a subscription isn't appearing in this app, it's usually because the transaction hasn't been detected as recurring, so the linked account hasn't signed recently, or the payment method isn't connected. So refreshing your account and reviewing your transactions often resolves the issue. So actually guys, first you will need to refresh your linked account. So just open the Rocket Money app and tap on the gear icon that's located at the top or the upper top left corner. So here, right? So now guys, you will need to select the linked account. So you will find an option listed here on the left hand menu. It says linked account, right? So just type it and refresh the account used to pay for the subscription. So wait for the latest transactions to sign. Then guys, you will need to verify the subscription payment. So the Rocket Money identifies subscriptions by looking for recurring charges. So just check the subscription has been charged at least twice. The payments come from the same merchant. The charges have posted rather than remaining pending. The payments account is linked to the Rocket Money. So then, or if you can't see the payments but not the subscription, you will need to open the transactions section, search for the merchant name, confirm the transaction category and merchant details, wait for Rocket Money to recognize the recurring payments after additional billing cycles if it's a new subscription. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.